welcome back to the channel. My name's Matt. Thank you for clicking on the video. This week I had an awesome opportunity to spend a few days in upstate New York, in Greensville and in Cooperstown. Cooperstown is one of my favorite places in the world. It's just incredible. I didn't really put together a structured story for this video. I kind of just was filming a lot. I want to take a little hiatus of planning out my videos. So this is kind of like a montage of a lot of stuff that happened over the weekend. We did a lot of fun stuff, so I hope you enjoy.
So something not a lot of people know about me is I wake up at 5 every morning. I love waking up, watching the sunrise, and I had the pleasure of waking up every morning to this view out on the lake. I would stand out on the dock, do a little fishing, and even if I didn't catch anything, it really was such a special way to spend my mornings. So there was someone else up with me at 6 in the morning. That was my buddy's dad, Ron. And Ron always has the go-to spots for photography whenever I'm in Cooperstown. He's always pointing out cool little things that, I wouldn't notice. But he decided to take me up to one of his hunting spots. And let me just tell you, when we came around this bend, I was blown away. Whoa. So, I have a little funny story to go along with this view. We drove into town later on that day, and I was looking up the property on my phone, and it was 19 acres that were for sale. I'm really tempted to look deeper into it. Spots like this are always fun because when you have an open field with a lot of different foliage, trees, that kind of thing, with a cool background, you have a lot of opportunities to change up your foreground, your perspective on your background. So I had a lot of fun moving around, trying different angles. There is definitely a lot to work with at this location. I wore shorts when I was shooting here, and I wish I wore long pants because my legs got torn up by all the thorns, but that's alright. You gotta get a little beaten up to get the best shots. This was the start of an incredible day of fishing, friends, laughing. These are the days you look forward to on Friday afternoon. Yes, that's a rainbow.
Let's go, baby.
Run! Yeah!
Tsunami out here.
Fish on!
Let's go!
Yeah!
Let's go! That's not me. Let's go! Let's go!
This was Connor's first walleye. He was very excited. While I didn't catch a walleye for myself, I was so happy to watch the smiles on my friends' faces. These are the things great weekends are made of.
Whoa! That's the real deal right there, baby. That's the real deal.
My biggest takeaway from this weekend is it's too easy to fall into complacencies, and life is too valuable to waste. Make your time matter, and have a good time doing it. Now here's a teaser for next week. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video for this week. I had a blast making it, obviously. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next video.